Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and doing a quick hands-on review of the Motorola Tab G20. By the way guys, I've also started posting videos in Telugu. You can check out my Telugu videos on GreedyTech Telugu. Link for that is in the description. Now with that said, here's the box. In India, Moto G20 is priced at 10,000 rupees and it comes in only one variant with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. It's only available in one color, that's platinum grey. Now the main highlights for this particular tablet would be its pricing, bigger battery, and the fact that it's a recently launched tablet with the latest Android 11. I know that really doesn't sound anything impressive, but we rarely see tablets these days, so that's definitely something new. Anyway, first let's have an unboxing. Here's the box. It says Moto Tab G20. We also got a preview of the tablet itself. On the sides and back, there's the branding. Now let's unbox it. So first we have the tablet itself. Next we get a USB Type-C charging cable. Following that is a 10 watts power adapter. This is a review unit, so we didn't get all the things, but you should be getting a SIM card ejector tool and some documentation. Now let me just put everything aside and come back to the tablet. Now this is how the tablet looks like on the front, and this is how the tablet looks like on the back. Now let's have a physical overview. On the back, this tablet has a metal panel with a nice metallic matte finish. At the top and bottom, we got two plastic strips. Now at the top, we have the camera module. There's no flash. Following that, we have the Motorola branding, and finally at the bottom, it just says Dolby Atmos. Now on the front, we got a pretty huge display with pretty decent bezels all around. Above the display, we got the front-facing camera along with some sensors. Below the display, it's completely plain, and the chin is pretty decent for a tablet. Now for the sides, on the right side, we got the power and volume buttons along with a mic. Buttons are made of plastic, they have a nice clicky feel to them, and they are also sufficiently elevated. At the top, we got the speaker grill, followed by the 3.5mm audio jack. On the left side, we got the SD card slot. And yes, there's no SIM card option on this tablet. Anyway, finally at the bottom, we got just a USB Type-C charging port. Now this tablet has a thickness of 8.15mm and weighs 305 grams. In hand, it feels pretty sleek, and considering the bigger screen size, I'd say weight is also pretty decent. Now these are the complete specifications of this tablet. In the camera department, we get a 5MP rear camera, and for selfies, we get a 2MP camera. As for the display, it is an 8-inch IPS display with HD Plus resolution with 85% screen to body ratio. As for performance, it is powered by a MediaTek Helio P22T processor with PowerVia GE8320 GPU with 3GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 32GB of storage with expandable memory option. In the battery department, it is powered by a 5100 mAh battery and comes with a regular 10 watts power adapter. Now this is how the tablet looks like once we turn it on and set it up. It's a clean, simple stock Android. There are no ads and there are no useless applications. Now here's the about page. This tablet is running Android 11 right out of the box with the July security patch. As for storage, out of that 32GB of space, we get about 23GB of space for our user apps and user data. Now this is the camera interface. We got the default photo mode. On the left side, we also got the portrait mode for the rear camera, which is pretty interesting. On the right side, we have the regular video mode and translate. We have a pretty similar interface even for the front camera. Now these are some sample shots. Cameras are decent, but at the end of the day, it's a tablet and tablets are really not about the cameras. Now let's check out the speaker loudness. By the way, this tablet has just a single speaker at the top with Dolby Atmos support. Here's a quick audio sample. Even though it's just a single speaker, it's pretty loud and good for media consumption. Now there's no fingerprint scanner on this tablet, but we do get face unlock feature. And here's a quick preview in good lighting conditions. It works, but it takes about 2 to 3 seconds to unlock the tablet. It also works in low lighting conditions, but once again takes about 2 to 3 seconds to unlock the tablet. In complete darkness, it's mostly a hit or a miss. Overall, face unlock works, but it is a bit slow. By the way, these are the benchmark scores. Now I've used this tablet for about 2 to 3 hours, and I must say overall performance is pretty decent. There are no lags, everything runs pretty smoothly, and memory management is also pretty good. So guys, if you're looking for a tablet around 10,000 rupees with pure stock Android, then you can definitely consider the Moto G20 tab. So guys, what do you think about this tablet? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this tablet, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.